Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video, number 69 now, I believe. Really getting up there as time passes, but got our earnings just now. Just got the bot report in Telegram. Really good day today, guys. You see, 0.55% is the earning percentage, and on the money I've invested, I made 79.15. Really great day, guys. So I'm in the last week and 2 days, I've earned 850 USD. That's with my referral bonuses and, or is it here, my Forex investment, which I'm just pulling up here for you guys. Yeah, there we go. 462 plus 386.50 gives you about 850 USD, guys. So my currency up here in Canada, that's like $1,120 Canadian. So really excited about that. And yeah, guys, so in another 3 days, I'm going to be doing a withdrawal of some of the funds, and I'm going to be reinvesting the rest of the money back into the system. So what will happen is my principal here, which is now 18,803, that'll go up about another 400 or 500 or so. So kind of excited about that. And yeah, guys, if you guys are just stumbling upon S Group, if you haven't really looked into it before, or you're just kind of getting some more information on it, you just stumbled upon this video. It's a great opportunity and a great way for you to earn some passive income for yourself. You basically just come in, fund your account with whatever amount of money you can fund, and you just leave it in the system, and the computerized bot does all the Forex trading for you, because in this case here, I have my money invested in the Forex market. So the bot that is intelligently programmed by, I believe, 25 industry professionals, different parts of the world. They put this computerized bot together to do the trading for you. It's basically the same type of computerized bot system that the banks use. When you put your money into the bank, or you invest your money into like a GIC or any other type of investment, the banks put your money on these markets with these bots, and they do all the trading and money handling for them. So it's pretty much the same thing, except with S Group, you get a bigger return on the money you have invested, as you see here. If you have anywhere from $100 to $499 invested, you get 50% of the daily earnings. They get 50%. 500 to 1499, you get 60%, they get 40%, and then and so on, as you see through the graph here, guys. So most people, when they do register their account, they come in these first 3 tier levels. You can come in at any level you want. Some people do come in at these higher levels. One of my buddies on my team, he over, I would say, about 3 weeks, he funded his account, so he's now up to like 5,000. So he's at this level, and he wants to keep funding his account. He wants to keep growing it. So he's just working on it. So you guys can do whatever you want. What I'm going to do is on Friday, it's Tuesday right now, but on Friday, I'm going to take about half of my earnings so far with my commissions and my Forex earnings. I'm going to withdraw half and reinvest the other half. It's going to be somewhere around there, but I got to figure things out with the bills and everything else. But it's yeah, a great opportunity, guys, for you to make some money. If you're interested in joining S Group and you want to get going, there's a sign up link down below in the description. Just click on the sign up link. What that'll do is that'll get you to a form where you can fill out all your information and register your account. You'll join my team, of course. Just shoot me an email. My email's in the description down below as well, and we can communicate through email or through voice chat, whatever you want, and I can walk you through and explain everything in setting up your account. After you do make your first initial investment, it takes one business day, and then after that, you start earning on the money you have invested in your account. That's with Forex. Of course, there's these other areas. I did touch on them in other videos, so you can check out the other videos on my page, which I was just going to get into. Make sure you click on the subscribe button down below just below this video. You subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be able to see all my videos and updates and everything that's been going on with the progress here in S Group. And I really appreciate that, guys. I see you guys signing up and joining my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. It ends my 5-minute daily video. Thank you.